$3 trillion just appeared out of nowhere. Not in your bank account. In Amazon's. You probably saw the headline and scrolled past it, the same way you scroll past every big stock number. This one is different, and by the end of this video you'll know why. If you like uncovering the hidden math behind the biggest money moves in the world, hit subscribe to Nextworth right now, because this channel breaks these stories down before anyone else explains them properly. The obvious guess is that Amazon got here by selling you more stuff. More boxes on your porch, more one-click orders, more Prime deliveries piling up at your door. That guess is wrong. Amazon's biggest money engine right now isn't the package on your doorstep. It's a windowless building full of servers you will never see. So what is Amazon actually betting $3 trillion on? Go back 1 year. Amazon stock had been stuck. Investors were nervous about a simple problem. The company was spending enormous amounts of cash on artificial intelligence infrastructure, and nobody could prove it would pay off yet. Wall Street calls this a capital expenditure. Think of it as money spent today on machines that might only earn their keep years from now. Then the earnings report landed. Amazon Web Services, the cloud computing division that quietly runs a huge slice of the internet, grew faster than it had in years. Revenue beat expectations by billions. The stock jumped. But the sentence that mattered most didn't come from a spreadsheet. It came from CEO Andy Jassy, who told investors the company still won't have enough capacity to meet demand in 2026 or 2027. Read that again. The world's fifth most valuable company just admitted it is behind on supply. Not behind on sales. Behind on the physical ability to deliver a product that barely existed 5 years ago, rented artificial intelligence power. This is where the story turns strange. Amazon isn't spending like a retailer protecting its turf. It's spending like a company that believes a shortage is coming and wants to own the thing that runs out first. Every AI model that gets trained, every chatbot that answers a question, every company building its own AI tools needs raw computing power sitting somewhere. Amazon is racing to become the landlord of that power before the rest of the world realizes how scarce it will become. You've felt a smaller version of this instinct yourself. Maybe you've bought something in bulk because you suspected the price was about to rise. Maybe you've learned a skill early, betting that demand for it would grow before everyone else caught on. Amazon is doing the same thing, just with $200 billion in capital spending instead of a grocery cart. There's a risk hiding inside that bet. If AI demand slows, or if rivals like Microsoft and Google build faster, Amazon's giant servers could sit half empty, burning cash instead of making it. Andy Jassy is staking the company's next chapter on a shortage that hasn't fully arrived yet. That's the real reason $3 trillion matters. It isn't proof that Amazon won. It's proof that Amazon placed one of the largest bets in business history on something most people haven't noticed is running out. Your phone will buzz again with another big number soon. Next time, don't scroll past it. Subscribe to Nextworth, ask what shortage that number is quietly betting on, and let this channel show you before Wall Street catches on.